Today I'd like to talk to you about the reason why I only buy Tamron glass for my E-mount system. Hi, my name's Matt and I run a videography business. I've created this channel to take you along my journey so you can see what works and what doesn't, and what kind of gear you should really invest in if you want to start a videography business. If this is something that interests you, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Right now I'm constantly using the Tamron 17 to 28, 28 to 75 and 70 to 300mm lenses. I carry them with me in my kit at all times. And after digging deep into image quality between Sony's Sigma and Tamron glass, I really couldn't find any real-world reason why I should use lenses other than Tamron. They are just as good, unless you start pixel peeping, and still if you do, more often than not, Tamron is the superior glass in their price range. The only lenses that are not made by Tamron are the Sony 50mm 1.8 and the Sony 85mm 1.8, solely for the reason that there aren't any lenses in that category available from Tamron. So in my opinion, Tamron glass is the superior glass at the moment compared to Sigma and Sony, because of one simple thing: filter thread size. While other lens manufacturers use different filter threads on their different lenses, Tamron uses the same 67 filter thread on all of their lenses. This makes the use of filters extremely easy and cost effective. Not only don't I need any step up or step down rings, but I can buy each filter at 67mm and it will fit on all of my glass. But the 50mm 1.8. The Sony 85mm 1.8 has a 67mm thread as well, and in my opinion, if you want the most useful kit without any real downsides, you should consider Tamron glass. And I haven't found any downside so far. With that being said, I hope you'll have a good week and I'll see you in the next video.